You're watching EAC News. Thanks for joining us. The Ministry of Environment has said that air pollutants were measured for the first time in Cambodia, and in response, measures to reduce pollution have been implemented in order to improve the air quality and protect the environment. EAC News reporter Straipor Kong has more details.
At a press conference held on Tuesday on the Cambodian Clean Air Plan at the Ministry of Environment, the Secretary of State and spokesman for the Ministry of Environment, Neth Pheaktra, said that the biggest sources of pollution and short-term air pollution in Cambodia are from transportation, electricity generation, industrial processing, and housing. Several of major sources of pollution indicate that the residential sector is the largest source of invisible PM2.5 particulate pollution and carbon black after coal production and transportation. Total emission forecasts show that by 2030, invisible PM2.5 particle will reach 98.5 thousand tons, carbon black will reach 14.6 thousand tons, sulfur dioxide will increase to 7,000 tons, nitrogen oxide will be equal to 329,000 tons, and carbon monoxide equal to 40,150,000 tons. The spokesperson stated that other pollutant and short-term pollutant have a common source, so the potential mitigation strategy include potential greenhouse gases such as methane and carbon dioxide. Reducing potential emission must be monitored through the implementation of key government regulations, policy, and strategies. In response to this problem, the Ministry of Environment has introduced measures to reduce air pollution under the Cambodian government's Circular No. 1 measures to prevent and reduce public air pollution, especially PM2.5, PM10, and CO, which are to be halved by 2030. Under Circular No. 1, there are measures such as to control construction site, control quality of food containing high sulfur, control the emission of air pollutant from vehicle to control emission from vehicle, control incineration, improve management and the urban environment, and establish air pollution monitoring and forecasting systems. The ministry said that if all measures are taken together, emission will be significantly reduced over the next 9 years compared to the base scenario of reducing emission by 2030. Forecasts show that a reduction of between 18 and 60% of emission, equivalent to 10 of thousands of tons of reduced emission, is possible. Sripokung, EAC News.